I'm going to be doing my peer review on Wesley's annotated bib. Right here for the summary, you should cover the main points. So if it's like a long article, I would skim through the first couple sentences of each paragraph and then take what you learned from that. Don't forget your 2 in-text citations for all paragraphs, the summary, all these. There were a few grammar mistakes. I just ran it through Grammarly real quick and then put it in the red text right here. This one sentence is very long. I put it in Grammarly and it helped me fix it. Not too many mistakes there. Down here, with this also ran it through Grammarly. Not too many mistakes. Don't forget your 2 in-text citations. This first sentence was incomplete, so I added "there are" and it satisfied the needs for a complete sentence. Reflection, also good job. You did really good on adding your own thoughts. If you add some in-text citations to all of them, then you should be golden. Would also recommend writing a little more for each one, just because she told us in class it should be good amount of sentences. Don't remember the exact number. I think it was 5 to 8. So you should be good if you add the in-text citations and then build off of those a little bit. I could tell you really like the subject. Oh, also when doing this, I would recommend pulling up Purdue OWL, what was in the resources, and there should be an MLA format. You should have your article cited up here at the very top, and then you should have a link to it, so we could just press on it and get there. All this should be indented, which it is, but you should double space it and put it in Times New Roman. Just a few grammar mistakes here. Oh, also do not forget to highlight in blue and yellow. That was easy points. I also missed out on it. That's pretty much it. Not too much more to say.